Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create email templates in Gmail for easy access down the road. If you want to just have templates, you can pull from and then modify as necessary. I show you guys how to do it. First you have to make sure the templates feature is turned on. In order to do that, you just need to click on this setting gear icon and select see all settings, and now you just need to select advanced, and it says templates turn frequent message into templates to save time. Templates can be created and instead through the more options menu in the compost toolbar. You can also create automatic replace using templates and filters together. You want to make sure it's set to enable. You just need to set to enable, guys. If it is disabled, you just need to set to enable, and after doing it, scroll down and select save changes. So now if you want to create a template, you just need to select the compose option, and now you just need to type in whatever you want to your template. I just typing whatever you want, and after typing it, you just need to select this three dot icon over here, and now select templates, and now you just need to select save draft as templates, and now select save as new templates. Click on it and name as whatever you want, and after naming it, select save, and now you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to open up new message. You can select this three dot icon and select templates, and now insert templates available over here, guys, and then you can insert templates you had before. Click on it, and that's all you have to do it, guys. So if you want to delete the templates we just added, now what you have to do is select the three dot icon and select templates, and now you just need to select the delete templates, and in delete templates you just need to select the templates you want to delete it. Select it, and this will delete your saved templates. Name as whatever you want, select delete. Now the template has been deleted, guys. As you can see over here, no saved templates are available over here. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.